Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you today about one of the databases, and I know that I have my databases that are on my YouTube channel. However, this one I've, dug into a little more this last week, and I really think it's a hidden gem in our databases. You can find it in the library, find a folder, and it is the EBSCO eBooks K through 8 collection. So there's many times that you guys are doing activities in your classroom and you need nonfiction books to support the curriculum. It's sometimes hard to come up with books because number one, if the rest of the district is doing that, it's hard for me to get books from those schools as well. And books also, they're really expensive and I can't have one of everything. And you also want books that are going to circulate a lot and not just for a themed unit. So this is your place to go. If you go in here, you can basically type in your search terms and it will bring up a variety of books for you. Remember that the reading level of the books are kindergarten through 8th grade. So I'm going to type in basketball. I was researching sports because 3rd grade is going to be doing inquiry and research on different sports. And so I typed in basketball and this is what came up. You'll notice that there's 94 hits. Now, don't let the subject tag right here, don't let it make you think like, oh, it says juvenile. That's probably too old for my kids, because that is not necessarily the case. I know with 1st grade when we were researching shadows and trying to find resources for it, it said juvenile nonfiction and it was perfect for their grade level. So if you go in here and I'm going to click on basketball right here, and it will bring up just some information about the book. If you scroll down to the bottom, it'll have the table of contents. And I know for my 3rd graders, they're needing to know, like, what is basketball? What are the rules? The equipment that they need. So those things caught my eye about it. So I'm going to go over here and click on full PDF text, and it will give you color pages of all of the books. So after it downloads it, I know for me personally, I'm going to go down here in the corner and make it a little smaller so I can see it on one page, maybe a little bigger. And then you can just scroll through the pages and, it reads just like a regular book. So the pictures are engaging. All of your kids can be using this at the same time because it's in a database that we're not limited on the number of users. And it's a great resource for the kids that are trying to find out the basic rules of basketball. You'll notice up here there are options to share it in a Google Classroom or a Google Drive. I noticed with the email pages, it only lets you email like a certain range of pages. It's not necessarily the whole book, so be careful with that. But I think that for our kids, especially when they're researching nonfiction topics, a lot of y'all are wanting them to dig into books, and that's great. Just remember, like, we can get these books online through EBSCO ebook K through 8 collection. I hope this is helpful for you guys as you're working on inquiry and research and in other aspects of supporting the curriculum. And have a good day. Bye.